All right, welcome back. Track and field fans, welcome to the debate. Who is the greatest male sprinting Olympian or greatest male Olympian in terms of track and field? Is it Carl Lewis or is it Usain Bolt? Usain Bolt was asked the same question in a recent interview. And of course, he would say himself, and I kind of agree. But like I always say, I am biased, all right? In terms of his competition, only one sprinter to date comes close to his caliber, and that is Carl Lewis. Moreover, Lewis won the long jump 4 consecutive Olympic Games, thereby claiming he might be the greatest after all. In a recent interview, Usain opened up on being compared to Carl Lewis, who won 9 Olympic gold medals. Usain said, I've won 3 Olympics back to back to back. That's something that if somebody wants to beat that, they have to be well focused. If you want to beat that, you have to be on another level because I set the bar high, said Bolt. Bolt is right. For years, he created different world records and won over a dozen accolades. Notably, he won 3 consecutive gold medals in 3 different competitions consecutively, even though he showed his love to Lewis, who achieved outstanding plaudits in the track and field himself. He also stated the difference between the two. Carl Lewis came and he only won the 100 meters twice. He didn't get the 200 meters, and I did that. People thought that was crazy. I'm like, nah, if I win the next one now, that's how I look at things, said Bolt. All right. Although Lewis did not win 2 events in 3 years, his achievements on the track are legendary. He won the long jump competition from 1984 to the 1996 Olympics, displaying unreal consistency. However, Bolt still believes he himself was on a different level altogether. But if you look at the history books, how many won Olympics back to back 3 times? Just me, said Bolt. What are your thoughts about Usain Bolt's comments? Is he indeed the greatest athlete of all time? My thoughts, yes. 3 back-to-back Olympics, 6 individual medals, consistently setting world records in the process that are going to be really hard to break. I don't think anybody has had the impact on the sport in terms of popularity and worldwide attention that Usain Bolt brought to track and field. So without a doubt, in my opinion, which doesn't mean everything, but in my books, Usain Bolt is the GOAT. All right? You don't have to agree, so let me know what you think in the comment section. But big up Carl Lewis same way, because your achievements cannot be overlooked. You know what I mean? Guys, I'll see you next time.